Well, hello guys. So it is a rainy evening here, and it is actually Thursday night. And so I'm a little bit bored. Daddy and Kira are watching a movie, and I was crafting and thought I'd come on and make a video. So the deal is, y'all know I just got Tristan, and first I want to say straight off, this does not affect the giveaway for the painted doll kit going on in any way, shape, or form. I'm having a problem bonding with him. And he is beautifully painted. I was looking at him up close. He's even got capillaries on the legs and the arms. I am a stickler when it comes to eyebrows. And if there was some way to have his eyebrows redone for my likings, I mean, they're fine the way they are, but I just think he would be so much more realistic if the eyebrows were a little bit lighter and a little bit finer, if you know what I mean. I don't want to sound like I'm complaining. Well, I guess I am, but it's a personal thing, and it's things like that you don't necessarily, pick up in a photo. So I want to show y'all. He's wearing this vintage outfit. Thank heaven for little boys. And he looks adorable. Daddy does not want me to even think about getting rid of him, so it's all up in the air, guys. But like I said, keep those names coming because he does have a first name, and that's Tristan. And we're still looking for the middle name, and I am not going to adopt him out or trade him anytime soon. So this giveaway is in effect and will continue till October 15th. So anyways, we have Colette here, my beautiful, beautiful darling. And sometimes I feel like the Binkies hide their mouths. Look at her. She's so cute. I love her to pieces. I wish I had the same connection with him that I do with her. But that just can't happen all the time or right away. So that's what Brandon keeps telling me. So we're just going to leave it at that for a while. But look how pretty Robin is. I know you couldn't really see her outfit. And actually, let me show y'all Colette's dress that she has on. Look at that. I've had some dresses and outfits stashed away. They were rather expensive. And I figure let's take them out for this rainy day. So there are two of the girls, and I will close with Tristan. So here he is, and he is going to help me clean up this nursery, right, little bub? So anyways, guys, that's my thoughts, and good luck on the giveaway, and I can't wait to see what the name is going to be. Talk to you guys later. So if you'd like to see more of my babies in my nursery, like and subscribe. Take care, God bless, and love you all.